course, I did solve the cube, but I want you to try to solve it too, but in a different way. First of all, I have to start doing this. Is that fair enough? A little bit more. A little bit more. So, is that next? See here? Gotcha. This is. I want you to try to solve it. I will give you 10 hours. No, I'm kidding. Generally, people, when they try to solve the cube, they start to try to put all the colors together, like the white and the red. But when they do the red one, the white will be in the other opposite way. It's a bit weird. And they try doing this, like, doing this, and they change, and they try again, and they change, and keep going like that. I don't want you to do that way. Stay here, please. I don't want you to do that way. I want you to try something different. Something that you might think, I am crazy. But no, don't think like that. I want you to hold the cube behind your back. Yes. Behind your back like that. And in a moment, you start to turn the cube this way. Okay? Just start turning this way. You might go in the opposite way, or it doesn't matter, but you have to do it this way. Just keep turning this, and you can turn this and this. Okay? You can go like this. Looks more mixed now. Of course, doing this exercise, you could think, okay, it's just rather pointless exercise, right? Yeah. But I don't want you to think that way. I want you to put behind your back, okay? You are comfortable to do this, this turning, okay? Start turning the cube like that. Yes, keep turning. Yes, that's good. Yeah, keep going. Yes, very good, very good. Do you think there's any way to solve the cube doing this behind your back? Do you believe that you can? No. Just you. Only you. Yeah. No. You don't think so? Just bring the cube back. So that's it. Yeah. You didn't even put any color together. Any pattern. No patterns here. So that's great. But that's the thing. Sometimes we think that everything is impossible, that we cannot do anything, and that's what we get. Right? In a moment, I will ask you to do the same exercise again. And afterwards, it will all make sense for you. Okay? Maybe not now, but maybe later. Right? Just one step back, please. One step back. Yes. And put your hands back on. Yes. Can you feel the cube in your hand? Yes. And now? And now? Yeah. Okay. You can hold the cube and start turning that way again. Yes. Keep going. You can go faster or slower. Yes. Just hold. Yes. Good. Keep going. That's great. Stop right now for a while. Of course, you still thinking about that. It's just pointless, right? But do you agree with me that even the most mixed cube in the world can also be solved? Anyone, right? And do you agree with me that even if it takes weeks, months, years, I don't know, you can also learn how to solve the cube? Everybody can, right? So, the same way, start turning the cube right now. People might be asking themselves, why am I doing this? It's just to illustrate a philosophical point. The late Napoleon Hill said that everything our mind can conceive and believe we can achieve. But the opposite is also true. If we let doubt enter in our minds, the doubt becomes a thought, and the thought becomes reality. So, keep turning. You can go faster or slower, it's up to you. Visualize here the word impossible. because people think that it's impossible to do. But this word, to become possible, you have just to erase the first two letters to get about the I and M, and you have possible, right? Or if you create a positive space between I and M, between I am and possible, you have I'm possible. So you can do that. Keep turning. You feel in a moment that you did enough, and then in that specific moment you will stop to turn the cube. It's up to you from now. Keep turning this way, and whenever you feel comfortable with, just stop turning the cube. Go ahead. Right there. Okay. Don't move a muscle now. Close your eyes. I don't want you to see this now. Close your eyes and raise your hand as high as you can and show us the cube without seeing now. Just raise your hand and show us the cube. Open your eyes and look for one tiny little twist, and you have the cube solved behind your back. Thank you very much. So tonight you achieved the impossible. Tomorrow the world is yours. So give her a big round of applause.